Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video out in the workshop. I thought I was done with all these little projects that I want to do. And one just popped up for my computer room. I want to show you the process here. Okay, I got a 3/4 inch by 12 by, what was it, 8 foot piece of wood right here. And here's the rest of it right there. Well, I needed a 42-inch piece. So I cut it the other night, sanded it pretty good. And now what this is going to be, it's going to be for a shelf on top of my computer desk where my PS4 sits. I want it off the glass because that PS4 gets pretty warm, and we had a little bit of an issue with my computer desk. The tempered glass broke, which the PS4 was sitting on, and the modem and some other things come crashing down. With tempered glass, it still shattered like crazy into little cubes. A lot of it held together, but a lot of it fell to the floor too. So I had to buy some more glass for my computer desk, which cost me $93. Now, to get tempered glass, he had a special order it, and he said it might not even come in because of what's happening in the world. So I said, well, what other thing can I do? And he goes, how about some windshield glass? He goes, I have that in stock. I said, all right, cut me a piece of that. It still cost me $93 for this big chunk of glass. And put that on. It looks really nice. You know, I hate spending $100 for glass, but that desk has been with me for 15 plus years. So I just figured I'm just going to buy the glass, put it in, fix it, get it done and over with. I had a lot of thoughts about building a desk out of wood. Oh man, I had all kinds of thoughts about buying, just to go get another desk, but I cannot find an L-shaped desk like what I have now. So this is the reason why I'm building this little shelf right here. My PS4 is going to sit on this shelf, not on the glass. And when we get closer here, you're going to see it's supported by, oh, what is that? 2-inch probably. A 2 by 12. And it's only like 3¼ inches tall. See, what's going to happen is this is going to sit right on the metal part of my desk. It's going to reach from one side of the metal desk and to the other side. This is going to sit on the other piece of metal. And the glass is going to be in between here. So that night when that thing shattered, it sounded like a 12 gauge going off. And that PS4 was being played for a few hours, and it was red hot. I mean, it was so hot you could barely touch the PS4 where it was still on, and it was just overheating. It was blowing the heat out. I'm not going to say it's overheating, but it was blowing the heat out pretty good. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and do this. Build a nice shelf. Let this house on top of my desk. And the PS4 is going to sit right here. And my little clock will be here. And some other things. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stain it. I still have some gluing I have to do. I mean, it's already glued. I put in these little dowel rods right here. They're like bolts. I'm going to sand them down. And it's got to look a little neater than having brad nails on it. So, yeah. And I glued the board, the foot, whatever you want to call this, to here. And then drilled the holes and dropped glue in to support the dowel rods. So let's see if it's going to work out. And the type of stain, I don't know what I like dark stain, as you could tell. I should have enough. Oh boy, that thing is almost empty. It's going to be a dark walnut 2.7 something. So I got to get the same. Might as well finish that up. I was going to use polyurethane, as I always do, but one of my buddies that does a lot of woodworking, he said, why don't you try some Minwax polyacrylic? I said, okay, I have never heard of this. And he says, oh, you're going to like that. He goes, as soon as you open it up, it looks like milk. And go ahead and put that on and let it dry. You do not have to sand for a second coat. If I remember what he was telling me. But if you want multiple coats after that, you have to sand and put another coat on. He said this will look like glass. So that's what I want, to put it on my glass desk. So yeah, we're going to try it. This would be my first time. Very, very expensive quartz here. It was like $17 and change for this. I just hope it works out for me. I'm picturing a sheet of glass over this when it's stained. You know, that'd be awesome. So that's where I'm at today. I just figured I'd make this quick video and show you what's going on. And there's the big boy. I almost started her up. But the weather, oh my God. This morning, there was an inch of snow out in my yard. Wasn't expecting that first thing this morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. So, alrighty guys, and again, thanks for watching. And I'll be talking to you.